Windows 11 has lots of cool features and some of them are definitely hidden gems. So let's check out 5 awesome features that maybe you didn't know about but you wish to try and enhance your productivity. Did you know you can scroll through a window without making it the main one on your screen? To turn it on, go to Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices and Mouse. Here you'll find a switch called Scroll Inactive Windows. Turn this feature on and you are good to go. Windows 11 lets you create multiple desktops so you can keep your work stuff separate from your personal stuff. Just press the Windows key and tab at the same time to open Task View, then make a new desktop. You can switch between your different desktops super easily using that same shortcut or by doing a special 3-finger swipe up on your mouse. Next is Focus Assist. With this feature, you can decide how long you want to focus on something and also choose which apps can send you notifications during that time. For example, if you're working, you might only want notifications from your work email. But when it's time to relax, you can turn off notifications from work-related apps. This feature is super helpful for keeping your work life and personal life separate, especially if you're working from home. If your computer screen is crowded with too many open windows, Windows 11 offers a cool trick called Shade to Minimize. You won't find this feature turned on automatically. To activate it, go to Settings, then click on System and choose Multitasking. Look for the option called Title Bar Windows Shake and switch it on. After that, you can minimize all the windows except the one you want to keep open by clicking and shaking its title bar. You can spice up your messages or documents by adding emojis, symbols, or GIFs quickly in Windows 11. Just press the Windows key along with the period or semicolon keys, and a menu will pop up with a bunch of fun options to choose from. So whether you need a thumbs up emoji, a fancy symbol, or a hilarious GIF, Windows 11 has got you covered in just a few simple keystrokes. So give these features a try and let me know in the comments which you found the most useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.